Hello, lovers of beautiful spaces. Welcome to today's episode. I'm Jeanette, your real estate advisor. Today, we explore a two-bedroom apartment in Kileleshwa along Othaya Road. Please come. Let's take a moment and appreciate the door. It's quite big. I love the color, I love the texture. I like what they've done with this space and the fact that it's so big. I know most of us love that. So once you get in, there's a foyer and then you come to the shoe rack. Guess what? This is actually coming with the apartment. It's not quite big, but it's enough for you to store your shoes, and it even doubles as a console. So if you don't want to start maybe moving around things, this is perfect. You just have to add a few decorative pieces. Like, look at this horse. Appreciate it, please. It's beautiful. I love what they've done with this. Then you have this crystal ball, and of course some flowers and orchid. And behind me, there's a beautiful window which brings in lighting. I love that. This space is very well thought of. If you look at this wall, there's a few, I don't know, this is actually metallic. It's beautiful. It's like a goldish kind of finish. This, however, doesn't come with the apartment, but if you'd like, it can actually be installed for you, of course, at an extra cost. Yeah, I like that. So I like the fact that this space is very private. The door is way over there, and then you come in, find the kitchen way on this other corner. The kitchen is of course open plan, as you can see. I like the fact that you can even play around with it, maybe even add an island right over here. That will work quite well. So something that you should notice is for a two-bedroom, I mean, this is good enough storage. You're going to get a burner with the apartment. Once you buy the apartment, the oven and the hood are very well done in the show house, but this is something that you can be installed for if you actually request for it, but of course at kidogo amount of money. The marble countertops are very efficient. I think we've noticed that in most of the apartments that we've gone to so far. This is good because it doesn't allow water to seep in, and that's something that you want for long-lasting countertops. I appreciate the fact that they have done a very unique sink. Look at that. It's very beautiful. This is actually a first on our channel, and of course the way the handle is set is beautiful. There's a place where you can even dry your utensils once you've cleaned. There's a window that opens up to the laundry area, which I think is quite nice because then the lights can still come in. Let's look at the laundry for a bit. So there's a beautiful door right over here, which opens up now to the balcony, which is also the laundry area. I think it's quite a spacious space, especially because it's just the laundry. It is quite spacious. Over here we have the dining area. The dining is very well decorated. I appreciate everything about it. The fact that they've done gold and white tops, and I just love it. It's beautiful. But we're not here to just look at the decor, so let me get to it. So this is a 4-seater dining set, but I feel like you can actually you can move it around and add a few seats, make it a 6-seater, which is okay for a 2-bedroom. But even the 4-seater, if you're not that many in the household, it works perfectly. I like the chandelier right on top of the dining area. It works very well. I had mentioned that you can even have an island. If you have the island, then you don't even need that big of a dining. I think it's up to preference. It's really you to decide what you want to do with this space. My point is it's very well done. The fact that you can play around with it is a plus. Let's head over to the living room space. First of all, this is my favorite color. Emerald green does it for me. I like what they've done with this space. The fact that they've done an L seat. This makes it more spacious. It gives it more room to just work with. You don't even have to have anything else. It's just perfect with your coffee table. They've even played around with the yellow, the mustard, and even the wallpaper, and even the paintings that they've done complements the space quite well. I love everything about it. The chandelier is quite beautiful. It brings out the beauty of this unit, and the fact that the TV wall is right in front of me makes it everything. You don't have to worry about light coming in because if you close the curtains, then it works very well. So the layout of this space is one that we have to appreciate. It's very well thought of. Of course, the lounge opens up to the balcony. I don't want to say of course because not all units, by the way, have a balcony. How do we even open this one? Oh, there we go. So it's a pocket door, so you're able to just slide open, and you have a beautiful layout over here where you sit for the balcony so you can enjoy the views. Unfortunately for this unit, we don't have that many higher units left, so yeah, that's a bit unfortunate, but you still have the view even if you get only on the 3rd floor or the 1st floor. Yeah, you've seen the entrance, you've seen the kitchen, you've seen the living room space. Now let's go and have a look at the bedrooms. We'll start with the guest bedroom. Please come and see this. So this is the guest bedroom space. You get a big bed. Of course, you want a space where you can fit a big, beautiful bed. There's a big window which brings in natural lighting. You know that's a major one for us. The closet space, very beautiful. And you get some grays. Ooh, I like that. Even the inside is gray. It's very beautiful and spacious. Yeah, for the guest bedroom, you don't need so much. I think this just works perfectly, especially for the price. It's really, really good. Yeah, and of course, let's appreciate the doors. So it's not a both ensuite, it's just one master ensuite. So the bathroom and the sink are situated right over here. So the bathroom for that bedroom is right outside, where the shower cubicle is quite unique. I love the flooring, I love the tile work, I love the shower head as well. Of course, the window brings in very good lighting even in the bathroom, and this is shared even with the guests So this bathroom is shared even by the guests who are like at the living room space. But of course the master is different. Let's take a look. First thing you'll notice in the master bedroom is the space. I appreciate the fact that this is a queen size bed and you still have the bay window over here. This is quite a space. I know very few apartments that have this, and of course it's like a balcony inside the unit, so you get to enjoy your privacy but still have extra room. And I like what they've done with the space. The staging is perfect. Let's first notice the colors. It's gold, and of course the orange works perfectly for the space. It complements the master bedroom bed. It also complements everything in this room. It's just vibing. I love the wall hangings that they've done, and they have gypsum. Gypsum is beautiful. It finishes. It brings the room together. Now, another unique feature about this master bedroom is we have two closets. There's one closet over here, and we have a walk-in closet right over here. Apart from that, this one has clear doors. That is quite beautiful and unique. I love that. It's remarkable. Of course, behind me there's more of a closet space, so you and your hubby don't have to worry about, oh, me, my closets and all that. No, it's sorted. Another beautiful feature about this master bedroom is the space in the bathroom. It's quite big. I don't know whether you can be able to see this. It's really big, and of course the shower cubicle can fit 2 people. Hey, you can shower together with your husband, and it works. I love the fact that it's big. So like I had mentioned earlier, this particular apartment is on very high demand. It's already taken up. Actually, we only have the first floor, and on the other side we have 3 more remaining. So if you're looking for something quite similar, please holler at your girl. We're going to come have a look, and maybe you can decide, or you can wait for the next project, because this particular developer is actually working on another project in Riverside. Maybe if you might be interested in that, we may be able to get that one when we still can. So for the 2-bedroom, we are actually selling it at 12, but if you come as soon as possible, we are going to give you a discount of up to 11.5, and also depends on your payment plan. So depending on your payment plan, you're able to get a bigger discount. Apart from that, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing my videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and of course leave a comment below. We are always appreciative. See you and see what you have to say. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Till next time.